Ms. K would like to introduce you to Mars Hydro's iHub Smart Power Strip.
We have a box here to open up. Get this opened here. It was in plastic wrap inside another box, but I didn't think you really wanted to watch that. Alright, flip this around so you can see what we got here. It is the Mars Hydro iHub Power Strip. Mars Hydro iHub Pro. This is definitely geared to experienced growers. Nicely packaged. We have our instruction manual. Tells us how to hook it up to everything. You can run almost everything in your tent from this, it looks like. Alright, what do we have here? Some connectors. It is packaged very well. Flip this around so you can see it. Oh, I guess I did have it in the right spot at first. Watering, dehumidifier, humidifier, light 1, light 2, fan, inline fan, heating, and 2 other devices. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4. Comes with 5 of the RJ12 cables to hook everything up with. A sensor. And a couple shorties. Okay. I'm gonna shut you guys off and go through and look at the manual and see what I have in this 4x4 tent. Then I could hook up to here. And that will be part 2 of my introduction to you of the Mars Hydro iHub Power Strip. She's making videos and it's been going nice for sure. You should give her a subscribe. She does not have an alarm on her phone, let all the high-tech growers with all their gadgets. She said she can't afford it anyway. That tells her when to water and feed them. They don't need much, just some light. Then they grow until the morning comes. K is for keep, I is for it, S is for simple. That is her method, and that's what Miss K tried to do.